Mastering adverbs of frequency with future tense. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are going to delve deep into a fascinating part of English language grammar: adverbs of frequency with future tense. Are you ready to get your English skills soaring to new heights? Let's begin. Adverbs of frequency describe how often an action occurs. They can be incredibly helpful in providing extra information about the frequency of events, actions, or situations. Here are a few common examples: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. For example, she always arrives on time. They rarely eat out. In these sentences, the words always and rarely are adverbs of frequency. They tell us about the regularity of the described actions. The future tense, as the name suggests, is used to express an action or situation that will occur in the future. When we want to talk about how often a future event will occur, we use adverbs of frequency. When we use adverbs of frequency with future tense, the structure is typically will plus adverb of frequency plus base form of the verb. For example, I will often visit my grandmother next year. They will never forget this experience. In both sentences, the adverbs of frequency, often and never, are used with the future tense, will visit, and will forget, respectively, indicating the frequency of these future events. Practice makes perfect, and to ensure that you understand the usage of adverbs of frequency with the future tense, here are some examples for you to consider. We will always remember our first trip to New York. She will rarely miss a class next semester. I will sometimes cook dinner for my friends. See if you can create your own sentences using adverbs of frequency with the future tense. And there you have it, folks. You have now mastered the usage of adverbs of frequency with future tense. Keep practicing, and soon enough, it will become second nature. Remember, the key to learning is consistency. We hope this video was helpful, and we're looking forward to guiding you through more exciting English grammar topics. Keep exploring, keep learning,